This is a quick example of how you can loop through a range in your code. So start off by defining a macro, and we'll just call it a test. Press enter. So what you want is this thing called for space each. And then what you need to do here is put in a variable name. Now you don't need to worry too much about what a variable is. If you just put in X here, and then you type in, and then define the range. So here we're going to go for range A1 to A3. Use the colon there. And then at the end you need to put dot cells. Now what happens is this loop, to define the end of the loop, you need to write the word next. Okay, and what that means is that everything inside the for and the next will get repeated until you've gone right through this range. So here what we do is we can go x dot value equals maybe x dot value times 2 in our example. So what we want to do is we want to multiply these values by 2. So let's run that and see what happens. So you can see that it goes through, and for each value in this range, it multiplies them by 2 every time this is run.